Hello and welcome back to my channel. In the earlier video we learned what is random forest in machine learning. In this video we are going to see the Python implementation of the random forest. So let's start our video. The first step is to import the libraries. So step 1 is to import libraries from sklearn.ensemble. Import a random forest classifier. Random forest classifier. So this line will import the random forest model class. And next is from sklearn.model and then selection import train test and then split. So this will split the data into training set and the testing data set. Next we have is from sklearn.metrics import accuracy score. So this will import a function to measure the accuracy, like how many predictions the model got right or not. Next is import pandas as PD. So this library will create and manipulate the tabular data. Now the next step is to create the data set. We are going to write a code to check whether a person can buy a car or not based on the parameters like age or the salary. So let's create the data set. The step 2 is to creating a data set. So our data set equals to, we'll create here a dictionary. That's why, like age, one of the parameter is age, and then I will give the age like 20, 21, 24, 27, 31, 34, 41, 44 and 51, 56, 62, 65. So these are the ages, and another is salary. And then I will write here 22,000, 25,000, 30,000, 35,000, 40,000, 45,000, 50,000, 55,000, 60,000, and then 70,000, 75,000. Let me check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 3 3 6 9 65. Okay, here 65. One data is missing, that's why. Okay, next is to buy car, and then like 0 or the 1. 0 means no and then 1 means yes. So let's write here 1 1 1 1 1 and then 1 1. Okay, this is it. So here yes means 1 and then no means 0. So let's close this, and then so this will create a Python dictionary containing age, salary and the by columns. Another is df equals to pd dot data frame and then data set. So this will convert the dictionary into pandas table. Next is x equals to df and then and we have is, I'm defining x and the y, and here salary and y equals to df by car, right? So x has the input features like age and salary that the model will use to learn, and y is the target vector that we want to predict. If it is a 0 then it is yes, if it is if it is 1 then it is yes, if it is 0 then it is no. Next step is to split the data set into training and the testing data. So step 3 equals to splitting data set into training and testing data. So let's give here x train comma x test comma y train comma y test equals to train like the earlier one, split and then x comma y comma, and I will keep the test size equals to 0.3 comma and then random state, so equals to 42. Okay, let me explain this. This train, test and split, it will split the data into training and the testing data set, and then this test size equals to 0.3 means 30% of the data is used for the test data, whereas 70% of the data is for training data. And here another we have is random state 42. That means if we set the random state like example 42, then we are fixing the randomness so that the results are always reproducible. That means the same trees, same split and the same accuracy. But if we do not set the random state, every time we run the code we might get the different results. So due to like different split, different forest and slightly different accuracy. Overall it returns the 4 objects, that is x train, x test, y train and y test. The next step is to create the random forest model. So step 4 is to creating random forest model. Now model equals to random forest classifier, and then I will give n estimators equals to 10 and then random state equals to 42. So this will create the random forest object. Here n estimators equals to 10 means build 10 trees in the forest, and then random state equals to 42. It will fix the randomness as I explained earlier. So this is how we create the random forest model. Now let's move to the training. Step 5. Okay, dash training the model dot fit equals to x train, x underscore train and then y train. So now this line will train the random forest for all the trees, and once the model is trained, it will learn the pattern from the training data, and the next is the prediction. So step 6 equals to like making predictions. Y prediction equals to model dot predict and then x test. So this model dot predict uses the trained forest to predict the level for new x test data, and y pred is an array of the predicted levels, that is 0 or the 1 for the test data. Then we will check the accuracy. So step 7 is checking the accuracy. Print accuracy is, and then I'll give the accuracy score. Accuracy score, and then I will give input as test and y will pred. Right. So this combine the predicted level y pred to the true levels, that is y test, and print the accuracy. And another step is to check for the new data. Let's say steps 8, and then is like predicting for a new data. Let's say is equals to 31, 35,000, and then closing the parenthesis. New data equals to 31, 35,000. Okay, another is I will write prediction equals to model dot predict and then new data. Okay, and print, then will he slash see buy a car? Yes, if prediction 0 is 1, else no. And then close this. So here new data is to create the new sample, and model.predict, it will predict whether this person will buy a car or not, and finally print the result is yes or no. Now let's run and see this code. Here is error. I don't need this. Yeah, again there is error. Here is also. So this is the result. Here the accuracy is 1, that means 100%, and will he or she buy a car? The result is no. Here we have given 31 A's and then the salary is 35,000. So if I do like here like 35, and then salary is also a little bit more, like 60,000, then let's see. So the answer is yes. So this is the example of the random forest in Python. I hope you like this. If you enjoyed this machine learning series, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.